Oftentimes we need to change the layout of a worksheet. Maybe we want to insert a new column or a new row. Sometimes we may need to delete or a column or a row. We can do this quickly and easily. First, open up the Exploring Worksheets layout file. So if you need to insert a new column, for example here, we may need a staff ID here, so we can simply insert that. The home tab, there is insert sheet column here. So the quickest maybe using the right click and insert. You can highlight and insert the place we want to insert. So here is the staff ID. So Excel knows we want to insert the columns. In the same manner, we can insert rows from the home tab either, or we can insert by simply making right click here and insert here, so we get this new row. Here is a little problem, however. While inserting the whole row, we have distorted a data here in the right. How can you insert row without disrupting this data? You can simply select the cells and right click, select the cell and right click and insert. Now we can shift cells down. So now the data is safe, and while we insert our new row, so we can delete rows and columns naturally. You can select the rows and columns we want to delete, right click and then delete command.